Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Sound News Network. So today we're going to take a look at some more baddie and natural haircut ideas. So if you are currently thinking of big chopping, or if you're just looking for some new ways to try out some short and natural styles, this video is definitely for you. So here we have a hair transformation. She rode into the shop with her headscarf. Now she's saying some stuff in Spanish. No idea what she's saying, but I'm sure she's probably talking about like her struggles she has with her hair and how she wants a new look. You know how it is when you like getting ready to try a new style out. Also, while this dialogue is going back and forth, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button for more black hairstyle ideas. Alright, so he takes the scarf off. Okay, so she's got like a short faded cut going here. And he like, alright, what can I do with this? You know, she's talking about what she wants. She's like, make it look good. I saw Instagram something. So she wants to maybe look like an Instagram baddie or something, maybe. Okay, so, oh, this is his Instagram page. Okay, so these are the cuts that he's done before. So you know he's a good barber. Now, her hair is already short. It looks like, based on his Instagram page, he does a lot of like tapered styles. So obviously, since her hair is already short, she won't be getting that. And then we got a basketball. Oh, okay. So he did like a platinum color here. Nice little design on the side, because you know he's known for doing these designs. And then she got a little bit of some curls going there at the top. This is cute. Oh, she crying. Now you know it's a good hairstyle when you like it makes you cry and gives you emotion. All right, this is cute though. Honestly, I'm not gonna lie though, like the taper cut is cute, but I would have liked to have just seen her with her fade just bleached down with the platinum. I think that would have looked hot. Maybe a little design on the side. I don't think the curls on the top was necessary, but that's just my opinion. All right, so she nearly made me cry too. So we got a lot of these, you know, when you get your hair done, if it's a good hairstyle, you're gonna cry. So this is what she started off with, rocking the black lipstick. She's got some grays coming in here. Hair is around a little bit above shoulder length. So it looks like she big chopped into a tapered cut. So obviously she wanted to get rid of the gray. Have y'all ever tried black lipstick before? I've wanted to try it, but wow. Oh, the way they did her makeup, she looks so beautiful. Beautiful chocolate brown for the color, the taper cut. Now this taper cut looks good. The other one, I think it was because I didn't really like it because the hair was a little bit too textured at the top. Like I felt like she needed more hair at the top to get that really good like taper cut style. But this one, she has a lot of hair at the top, so it does look a little bit more denser, fuller. She's got the designs going on both sides, a heart, and the color really just brightened her up. Beautiful for her complexion. I really like this look. And I like her makeup too. Like, I like a good black lip. Even though I never tried it. I wanted to try it. But anyway, I like the way her makeup looks. Nice, classic, beautiful. Just a gorgeous makeover overall. She looks amazing. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed these hairstyles within today's video. I know it was only 2 hair clips, which is a little bit unusual for this channel, but they were some long ones. So I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you next time.